What'd you say?
Gotta get it up.
Sick and fuck, ain't you?
Yeah. Fucking drunk, man.
How many beer you drink?
A lot.
Uh-huh.
A lot, buddy.
Sound like you got dry, you just better drink some water. Good.
Oh, yeah.
You good, buddy?
Yep.
You drives, don't you?
Think so. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, yeah. Make a little video.
Oh, Jason, what? I thought you were still in bed.
I don't know, he's puking, he's got dry heaves, bad.
He was projectiling it.
Get out of the toilet, Jay, let's drink some liquor.
Can't do it, bud.
Yeah, let's do her.
No fuck, buddy.
Oh, you'll be alright, let's drink some.
No fuck.
Oh, you're alright. It's all in your head.
Obviously. Dude, I'm fucked. I'm fucking seeing fucking double 3-4s. Out of her, buddy. I am alright. Out of her. I drank too many beers tonight. I just kept on drinking. And now I'm fucking out of it. Drank all night at the bar, man. Just pound beer back. Before I went to the bar, I fucking drank 12 pack before I even got there. Drank about 4 or 5 there. Right out of her. Out of her.